Hello friends, I am Vishal Singh. I have cleared UPSC CSE 2018 in first attempt with AIR 242. Today I would like to discuss with you the strategy I took for current affairs preparation. I think for current affairs the best way to go is through the newspaper only. For the first instance you will find it very difficult to read newspapers. I used to find it very difficult in my initial days. It would take me 3 hours to read it, and then it would be too exhaustive for me for the whole day. What I did for newspaper reading was that first of all I went through my syllabus. Through my syllabus I went very exhaustively, and I literally memorized my whole syllabus, so that whatever comes my way in the newspaper which is related to syllabus, I could study that. So I think the first suggestion for you all for preparing through the newspaper is that you memorize the syllabus first, because that way you can look through all the important points and then you can go through them. Secondly, friends, while reading the newspaper, you will come across a lot of political news, and in the business section also you will come across the news section where companies news would be there. You can leave those sections, and you have to confine yourself to the syllabus only, because otherwise it will be too exhaustive. After doing all these habits, taking all these habits, in some time you will be able to read the whole newspaper in 2 hours only, and then it will eventually come to 1.5 hours. For newspaper, one more thing I would suggest is that you can make short notes of the important policies and government decisions which have come. Again, while making notes, you can also make the notes of the editorial sections. In that you can make short notes, a summary kind of thing of the editorials which come. There are basically 4 editorials, 2 on the left margin and then lead article and the second article. I think better way is to go for the left margin 2 articles. Those are the articles from the editor only, and in that section you can make your summary if that is relevant, and not those which are political. So relevant articles can be made. I read the Hindu only. While doing my giving my mains examination, I started reading Indian Express, but I was not quite a bit regular of Indian Express. I was basically stuck to the Hindu. While making short notes, one thing should be taken into care of, that you do not take the ideology that is being given by the paper. You have to have your own views regarding the subject which has been given in the newspaper. That is the way I think is the best way to read newspapers. Then again, I think for current affairs only, the current affairs booklet which is available in the market of various coaching institutes, you can take any of those booklets. For me myself, I took the booklet of Vajiram and Ravi, and it helped me a lot, because while reading those booklets, whatever have been missed by us throughout the reading can be covered by those booklets. So friends, current affair booklet is a very important aspect of this civil services preparation. आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं कि करंट अफेयर बुकलेट आप रीड करिए, उसका रिवीजन करिए. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि रिवीजन इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द सिविल सर्विसेज प्रिपरेशन. एंड एक दिन पढ़ने के बाद मैं क्या करता था, मैं एक दिन में 10 पेज पढ़ता था और अगले दिन उन्हीं 10 पेजों को रिवाइज़ करता था, एंड देन आफ्टर अ मंथ मैं अगेन उसको रिवाइज़ कर लेता था. तो बेटर, आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ बेटर वे, बिकॉज इस तरह से सारी चीज़ें याद रह जाती हैं, एंड एट द टाइम ऑफ प्रीलिम्स व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू गिव द प्रीलिम्स, चीज़ें याद रहती हैं, और जब ऑप्शन हमारे सामने आते हैं तो हम ईजिली टिक कर पाते हैं. मेंस के लिए भी फॉर करंट अफेयर्स आई थिंक न्यूज़पेपर एंड द करंट अफेयर बुकलेट इज़ सफिशिएंट. आप करंट अफेयर बुकलेट को थोड़ा थोरोली पढ़िए, थोड़ा सा न्यूज़पेपर पढ़िए. एंड हाँ, मैं फ्रेंड्स इसके साथ योजना मैगजीन प्रेफर करता था, जो कि मैं बीच बीच में पढ़ता रहता था. मैंने करंटली सारी योजना मैगजीन्स नहीं पढ़ी थी, और ना ही सारे इश्यूज़ पढ़े थे. एक योजना मैगजीन के अंदर मैं कुछ इश्यूज़ पढ़ता था, एंड दैट वाज इनफ फॉर द प्रिपरेशन आई थिंक for current affairs part. Along with this, you can also go to internet and do your subject research. For example, मेरा optional subject law था, और उसके अंदर मुझे बहुत सारा current affair material पढ़ना पड़ता था. For that, I had the application of bar and bench and live law, which I used for my current affair preparation. And along with that, there are many other news sites these days and apps through which you can prepare your current affairs portion. So इसके अलावा आप, मुझे नहीं लगता कि किसी चीज़ की खास ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. इसलिए मैं ये कहूँगा कि आप इसके साथ साथ अपना पॉलिटी का सेक्शन, अपना ज्योग्राफी का सेक्शन, जो भी रेलिवेंट है उस करंट अफेयर मटेरियल के साथ, उसको पढ़ते रहें. आपकी एक एग्जॉस्टिव रीडिंग हो जाएगी. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स.